My God is majority, yeah, minority too. Now you see, whatever His will is, I will follow. When the human tide flows against me, even when it flows with me, there are situations that we may be in that call for wise counsel from above. When it seems hard to know what's right, and the crowd is pressing us on, my God is majority, minority too. Whatever His will is, I will follow. When the human tide flows against me, even when it flows with me, there are times when life is flowing with the crowd, when we are called to follow the crowd blindly. When it seems so hard to follow right, and the crowd is pressing us on. My God is my majority, minority too. His will, His express will is all there's to me. To accept and do accordingly at all times, to trust for my good and the good of all. My God